Welcome back, and shifting focus now to the sugar space. The government is mulling an increase in sugar minimum selling price and ethanol prices as well. Let's listen into some key comments that came in from Consumer Affairs and Food Minister Pralhad Joshi.
एथेनॉल प्राइसेस के बारे में पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री जहां तक मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन है, एज फार एज माय इन्फॉर्मेशन को जहां तक मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन है, दैट इज वो कंसिडर कर रहे हैं प्राइस हाइकिंग के बारे में। ऐसे मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन है। वो तो प्राइस हाइकिंग एथेनॉल का जो है प्राइस ज्यादा करना वो पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री देखते हैं, तो पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री सीज्ड ऑफ द मैटर। और जहां तक मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन है, क्योंकि आवर मिनिस्ट्री इज द नोडल मिनिस्ट्री फॉर द एथेनॉल, इसी कारण हम पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री के टच में भी है। It is well under consideration. I am quite hopeful that this year production will be quite good because of the good monsoon.
All right, that's the word coming in from the minister. But let's get in Vamakshi now. She's getting us more details on sugar price moves and what does it mean for the sector overall. Vamakshi.
Well, absolutely, Sonal. The Food Minister Pralhad Joshi spoke about a couple of things, and he said that the government, first of all, was considering an increase in ethanol prices. Keep in mind that ethanol prices have not been hiked since 2022-23 ethanol supplier. In fact, we spoke to ISMA earlier back in August, and they said that the cane juice price, which is now at 65.61 per litre, could be hiked to 73. For B heavy molasses, it could be hiked to 67, and C heavy molasses, it could be hiked to anywhere between 60 to 61 rupees per litre. The other thing that the minister spoke about was raising the minimum selling price of sugar. Now keep in mind that the MSP for sugar has remained unchanged since Feb 2019 at 31 rupees per kg. ISMA to CNBC-TV18 earlier suggested that they have asked the government to hike the sugar MSP to 39.14 per kg. Now how does this impact sugar stocks? Well, keep in mind that the sugar prices are already trading around this price, so largely this will be neutral for all of the sugar companies. The third announcement that came in, that the government is considering the review of sugar exports for the 2024-25 season. Of course, he also added that the decision will be taken after looking at the availability as well as the production. But as of now, the production does seem to be good given the favorable monsoons. ISMA to CNBC-TV18 earlier also had suggested that the government may provide room to export almost 20 lakh tons of sugar this year. Additionally, the food minister also added that the overall blending this year could touch to 14%, and the government is confident of achieving 20% ethanol blending by March 2026. In fact, they've also written to Niti Aayog to prepare a roadmap for increasing the target of ethanol blending in petrol to almost 25%, and this in turn provides a fillip to overall ethanol sales volume for all of these sugar companies as well. So overall, it looks like a positive development. All of these sugar counters surging in trade today.
It's a sweet day for sugar stocks. Vamakshi, thanks a lot for that update. And in fact, Manisha Gupta